Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zulsni bin Muhammad Azhar and I am from Group 7. So today I will be explaining a bit about our first project code. Okay, now as you can see, this is the user interface that we managed to finish for the first project, which is inspired by the YouTube link given by the lecturer. So now for the HTML, the whole page is divided into a few grids. So this is the whole grid, which is the whole page, and now we have grid kiri, grid tengah, grid bawah, and also grid kanan. Now, I will be explaining the whole grid and also grid canon. So for the whole grid, first we have the body. First, we have the background image using the face advanced image. Background repeat is no repeat. Background size cover so that it cover the whole page, and the height we use the 100 view height, so it will cover from top to bottom. We divided into the grids by using the CSS, where we divided the rows into two parts with the 80 view height and also 20 view height, while the columns into 25%, 70%, and also 5%. Now, for the grid canon, which is the 5% of the whole grid, we take the column, which is the 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And also for the row, we take the whole row. Since we have 1, 2, 3, so we take from 1 until 3. See, 1 until 3. And then we text align all the so that the icons will be in the center. And now for this particular grid, we divide them into 4 rows with the 10, 70, 10, and also 10 view height. So each icons will have the 10 view height of grid. So now let's proceed to the grids. We have the bar, the grid kanan. We have the bar, panel kanan, and also panel kiri. Okay, so we put them into the row. Each row, 1, 2 for the bar, panel kanan for the 3, 4, and also panel kiri for 5. And now for the background, we use the linear gradient to produce this kind of effect blur at the background without affecting the opacity for the icon. And this is for the icon, which we use from the font awesome. We put it into the color white, and also the opacity is 1. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Greg Erickson, and now I will continue to present for the left part of this website, or the left grid of this website. So, the div class for the left side of the website is grid kiri, and it consists of 5 others div class, which is short film, spectral, tajuk, brief, and discover. So here is the styling used for the left grid. Display type is grid. Column start at 1, column end 2, row start 1, row end 3, and that is for the grid kiri. And now for the short film class, it have padding right at 60 px, padding top 50 px, grid row at 1 and 2, grid column 1 and 3. Short For short film H3 class, the color is aqua. For next is short film HR, margin top is 10 px, border 5 px solid and light pink. For the spectral class, the grid row is 2 and 3, grid column 1, 2, Z index is 2. For the spectral H2, use transform style rotate, font size 11.5 em. Colors is RGB 255, 118, and 118. For display is flex, position absolute top 400 px, margin left 280 px, and the opacity is 0.3. As we can see here, the spectral words is vertical. So, and here is for tajuk class, grid row 23, grid column 23, padding top 30px, margin left 40px, and for H1 in tajuk class is font size 9.5 em, font weight 500, color light pink, and line height is normal. For brief class, the color is white, grid row 34, grid column 13, Z index 4, padding top 10px, margin right 60px. And for the discover button, the background color is transparent, background repeat, no repeat, and this other styling. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So my name is Muhammad Faris Faisal bin Ahmad Radi. So this is the continuing of the presentation. So it will be this part of the website. So briefly, the class name is Grid Tengah, being it's on the middle but a little bit to the right. So it is the part of the director, and this is the image source, which is right here. So this website is combined with the group website, so all the image is in one place. So 05.jpg is here. So this is the tags, and below here is the div for class button, class trailer button. So button watch trailer, as you can see here, which is responsive. So that is all from me for this part, the director and watch trailer, or in this code it is called Grid Tengah. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.
Hello, this is Ahmad Irfan and I'll be continuing on the grid bawah class div section. In grid bawah class div section, there is 4 div class, each given a respective class name: photography, sound, graphic, and panah kanan bawah. This is the content for photography, the paragraph, sound, graphic, and class kanan bawah. Visually, this is the output from the code snippet just now. The section, the photography, sound, graphic, and this is right arrow section. Okay, I'll be explaining on the each respective class in the template CSS. First is the grid bawah class. Grid bawah, the display is grid. The grid column is 2 until 3rd, and then grid row is 2/3, and divided into 4 column, which size of 35%, 30%, 30%, and 5% each. Next is the photography class. Photography is the first column, given a white text color and then their padding. Same goes to the sound class and graphic class, and also panah kanan bawah class. So the panah kanan bawah is the icon, the arrow, the right arrow icon is given a center content to align the item in the center over here. And then the panah kanan hover class is for the hover interactivity.